unusual place in that we both design, make jewellery here, but also we sell it here. So what you see here is, as it were, all our own work. So it's like a restaurant that grows its own food, cooks its own food, puts it down here. So, before any questions, we'll take you upstairs and show you the workshop and studio before we get to the important hat business.
So everybody knows VB Rouleau, I hope, because you know why I'm here, and we are at the moment making 20 or 30 hats a day. So today we're just working on these lovely Cinemade discs of all these fabulous colours. So basically you're designing a hat when you come in to go with your outfit that you're going to wear. Today we're going to be making the examples we have on these headstands here, and those are all made from one Cinemade disc. Basically this shape here is made from a disc, and this is a Cinemade disc, and you can see there's a join here. What we do is we start at the join part and we just do a pleat and we pleat it, and you see you just got to fold it, keep folding backwards, forwards, and then very simply you turn that down and there's your hat. There's your hat. So when you're stitching it, it's in-out stitching. We're not big bespoke blocking milliners, we're titivators and inventors and making something really fun and not difficult to do. And so when you're stitching, it's big stitches, we've got giant needles, in and out with cottons. And then we have these fantastic feathers in different colours. The feathers are in all sorts of colours, so it depends what you're wearing, you know, but they bend into different shapes. So you can plonk that in there like that. So you have hat completely finished like that, very easy to make.
Aren't you doing yourself out of a job?
No, because they come in and they want a different colour.
They have to make their own hats.
Well,